talking Jersey, we talking Kyrie 4, Chinese New Year, Black History Month, and is the earth flat or round? We gotta ask Kyrie that question. What's up, guys? This is Fresco here once again, live at Stadium Goods for another Stadium Goods unboxing. So today we're going to take a look at two pretty dope shoes and one of the NBA's hottest players right now, Kyrie Irving. Shouts out to Kyrie, Tri-State area, Jersey, what's up? So we're going to take a quick look at the Chinese New Year Kyrie 4 and also the Black History Month Kyrie 4. The Black History Month Kyrie 4 released a few weeks ago, but it's set to be Black History Month this coming week, tomorrow, February 1st, it's coming. So we're about to celebrate Black History Month. And outside of that, we have the Chinese New Year Kyrie 4, which is one of the hottest releases of 2018. So let's take a look at these right here. So we're gonna take a look at this box top here. So if you notice, a lot of the Kyrie 4 boxes resemble this same box here with the basketballs and variety of graphics in between. But let's get to the shoes. So one, it's red, and you know red shoes always give a dope color pop, but here is the look at the Chinese New Year Kyrie 4, the Nike Kyrie 4 Chinese New Year. So if we take a look at the toe box area here, this mesh here, perforated mesh, excuse me. We've got a suede nubuck here right at the tip of the toe box. The midsole predominantly all red with the off-white hit right here. And one of my favorite details of the shoe outside of the suede nubuck here area of the upper, as we can see the mesh that I alluded to just a second ago, right here in the front area in the toe box. And we have a suede hit right here on this back panel, but also the floral arrangement that comes on the Chinese New Year Kyrie 4, which is one of the dopest hits about this shoe. We've got the swoosh here, but right above the swoosh with this embroidery here, we have a dope floral setup right here. And also, if we look at the tongue, the tongue bears the Nike Kyrie logo, and also bears the floral setting right here on the tongue area. Let's take a look at the full outsole. So the outsole bears hits. This is like an off-white, kind of like peachish color here on the outsole. And then if we take a look right here, if you guys can see this real cool detail. So it says fair is not real with the number 11. It's got the number 11 right there on the back panel, and then we have the fair is not real on the bottom of the outsole. And then right here at the back of the outsole, we've got the Kyrie 4 logo. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the Chinese New Year Nike Kyrie 4 with the floral hits throughout, floral hits on the tongue. We've got suede hits right here in the tip of the toe box area. And then we have the mesh. Predominantly dominates the toe box, also comes with these red laces. So, what we're going to take a look at today is the Black History Month Kyrie 4. The Kyrie 4 is the latest edition of the Kyrie series. So with this being Black History Month coming up tomorrow, February 1st, we are showing some love to the Kyrie 4, the Black History Month Kyrie 4, which is one of my more favorite releases of 2018 so far. So let's take a look at this box here with the BHM. So normally Nike does a variety of Black History Month shoes catered around their premier athletes at the time and the variety of shoes that they have. So Kyrie has his own Black History Month shoe right here, the BHM box. Let's get to the shoes. Some cool detailing on this shoe that we'll get to in a second. So one of the premier initiatives in Nike's new campaign is equality. So equality amongst all people. So you'll see equality t-shirts, you'll see a variety of equality items, but in this particular shoe, we have the equality based on the Kyrie 4. So the Black History Month Kyrie 4, if you can see, bears equality throughout the entire shoe. Has the mesh area in the toe box, all perforated for breathability. We have a leather hit right here on the tip of the toe. If we look at the midsole here, there's the 3 red hits here, predominantly all white here. But if we get to the front of the midsole, outsole, it's red, black, and green. which, you know, shouts out to red, black, and green. We have the tongue area here, which bears the gold Kyrie logo. Comes with the white laces here. And like I mentioned earlier, the quality you'll see throughout the entire shoe. Also bears a black swoosh embroidered here on the side with the leather towards the back of the upper. Got a clean black and white panel here. The coolest detail of this shoe to me, and this is reserved by the rights of Fresco, this is not from Stadium Goods, the coolest detail on this shoe to me is the all-seeing eye. So the all-seeing eye represents people that see and learn things outside of what they read normally in books. So with this, you know, Kyrie's theory of the earth being flat. Kyrie, I'm not mad at your theory. I actually partially agree with you in the sense of the water going down and the earth being the flat surface, but that's another story for another time. But the all-seeing eye, as I mentioned earlier, is one of the coolest details on this shoe. Along with the colorway with the red, black, and green, it's always solid. Gives me a total Bob Marley feel. Let's take a look at this outsole here. You guys can see the red, black, and green throughout the entire outsole with the white hits that go down the middle. And also, as I mentioned on the Chinese New Year, fear is not real. Fear is not real. It's all a mindset. So if you believe that you're going to be scared, you're going to be scared. We got the hashtag with the number 11. Fear is not real. One more look at the Black History Month Kyrie 4, which is available here at Stadium Goods. So I hope you guys had a good time taking a look at these Kyrie 4s. Kyrie 4 is the newest silhouette from the Nike brand in regards to Kyrie Irving. So we have the Chinese New Year Kyrie 4 that we took a look at, and we also have the Black History Month Kyrie 4. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. I'm leaning more towards this one, but Chinese New Year is pretty dope too, so let us know what you think.